Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl on Guitar, the Lax. First time here on Girl on Guitar, and this song is called Redneck On. So, what do you choose? City life or country life? Yeah, watch the music video, you will see what they choose here. But anyway, cool song from the Lax. Let's take a look at this one, and we're gonna do that with capo set on the 2nd fret. That's the easiest scenario for us. So with that, we have 4 chords that rolls here from the beginning till the end: A, B minor, G, and D. Let's learn the chords first. We're gonna look at A, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. B minor next, the bar chord, where you place the bar on the 2nd fret, and you bar the 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and the final chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. Alright, so there we have the foundation for this song. The chords A, B minor, G, and D in that order. We will come to the strumming later. This is more based upon the picking. You hear that in the beginning. You're gonna hear that throughout the song. And we're gonna learn that first. So we're gonna do it chord by chord, starting with A. The first part, A, goes like this. Just like that. So you're gonna pick open A, and then you're gonna answer with 2nd D, 2nd G, and 2nd B. Pick these 3 strings together, and then a clap. That's the A part. Over to next chord, B minor. Now you're gonna pick the 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Together, all these 4 strings. And then you're gonna go with 4th G, a clap, and open G. That's the B minor part. It goes like this. Okay, so far we learned A and B minor. Okay. Over to G now. You're gonna play this part, and it goes 3rd E in the bass. And then you're gonna pick open D, open G, and 3rd B. And a clap. That's the G part. And then finally we have the D. You're just gonna pick and this. So I pick open D, 2nd G, and 3rd B together, a pause, and then the clap. That's it. So together it sounds like this. Okay, in standard tempo, couple rounds. Alright, so you got it right there. If you just handle this, you can do that from the beginning till the very end, but you can also switch up with a strumming pattern. So we're gonna look at that. So you're gonna start with A and look at A to B minor, because we have a strumming pattern that covers 2 chords. So we're gonna look at the first transition there. Starting with A, you're gonna play down, up, clap, and that's it. So, okay. And then you switch chord to B minor and play down, up, clap, up. So a down, a short pause, and then up, clap, up. Okay, so together will be. And then apply the same principle on the next two chords, the G and D. So G is played in the same way as A, the down, up, clap. And then D is played in the same way as the B minor, down, up, clap, up. Like this. Yeah, so there you have it. A couple of rounds with strumming goes. Yeah, so the Lax, Redneck On. This is a nice song for guitar. So give it a try. If you like this song, if you like this tutorial, then give me a like on this one. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.